How to pin a video on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin a video on TikTok easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok app and go to your profile. Choose the video you want to pin. Now all you need to do is click on the video and click on those 3 points on the video. You're gonna find option on this list. Scroll over and you're gonna find option which is pin. Click on it. Once you pin this video, it's gonna be on the top of your profile always. You're gonna see this video at the top of the profile wherever you posted on your TikTok app. And this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.